The Bureau of Public Service Reforms says it will review the Treasury Single Account TSA policy and other public service reforms currently being implemented in the country. The Director General of the Bureau, Mr. Dasuki Arabi, made this known in Abuja ahead of the 20th anniversary of the Bureau.
When you look at Treasury Single Account, of course we have succeeded in getting a one port for all resources of government. But then ministries, departments and agencies of government are complaining because they hardly have access to the funds they have collected, which they need to use to provide services, especially when you look at teaching hospitals. Before a surgery is conducted, they are expected to make some payments. And once those monies get into Treasury Single Account, they can't access it. So we're going to look at this and many other challenges around public financial management.
The DG said that the Bureau would also take a look at Integrated Payroll and Personnel Information System (IPIS) with a view to addressing issues raised by university teachers and work with relevant committees of the National Assembly, especially the Committee on Public Reforms, for a legal framework to make reforms permanent.
Sadly, we lost the university community out of IPPIs. We want to review and see what are the challenges around IPPIs. Why did they cry and why government agreed to allow them leave so that others will not leave. Secondly, I announced that new committee has been created in the National Assembly specifically to address public service reform.
Professor Olasani Akintola Bello addressed impact assessment and perception survey of public finance and public service reforms.
Its revenues and plan accordingly. So the TSA is a very important aspect of the reform. Apart from the TSA, we also look at the PPA, procurement. Because if you look at the budget cycle, procurement is a critical aspect of the budget. Because you formulate, you analyze, and you approve. Then you have to spend the money.